G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome to Man Cave Tuesday. Hope you all had a ripper week. Now what we've got going on in this video is get a couple of bloody gifts. Me and Matt do happy hour with a bit of a twist. Matt gets a bloody cool time lapse on bloody Lucy, which was Lucifer, the Virago 250 at night time going straight down. It was bloody awesome, you've got to see it. And I try and eat 3-month-old croissants. All right, let's go and check out these gifts. Rightio guys, so I've got a couple of parcels get specially delivered. This is actually a belated birthday present, the 50th. Now the young fella, I might have got your name wrong, Andrew, I've bloody forgotten now. It's a motorbike. You got me a bloody motorbike, look at that. But, check this out. Ho-ho! Bloody cool shit, thanks heaps mate. Now Keith, you might have remembered Keith that came down on the Virago 250 from Melbourne. What was he, 73 or something like that? Bloody crazy. So he dropped around this thing that I'm going to show you. Oh, bloody cool as shit. Something that I'm actually going to need for doing the CB 250. And what it is a 18-inch mighty mini bender. I should actually read it before I do it. Let's have a look at it. Rightio guys, so this is it. This is the mighty bender. So it's obviously for bending metal. I've only got just this bloody tin stuff. It'll do big. I think it says 16 gauge. If I quickly have a look, 16 gauge steel. Up to 90-degree bend. So yeah, so it'll do a 90-degree bend like that. Pretty bloody yeah, crazy idea. Me and Matt were actually talking about building one, but hey, presto, look at this, we've got one. So obviously I need to mount this to the bench, but let's have a go at, you can see I've already done it a couple of times. So you lay your metal over this, you get your support piece, stick that over there, like that. Line up your wherever you want to do this, clamp this down like that, and hey presto, all we've got to do is lift this up. I'll bring it a bit closer. Let's lift her up. Boom. Then just undo these bloody clamps, take that off, and hey presto, look at that. Nice, clean, straight bend. Keith, you're a bloody legend, mate. Thank you very much, I really appreciate that, and that's going to get a lot of bloody work, I reckon. So the first thing it's going to be doing is the CB 250, making the side covers for it, because we'll be doing that out of metal. There'll be some bending that we're going to have to do with that. Cool, back to the man cave. Rightio guys, so we're doing happy hour again. Matt's here, and actually there's a few more bloody people around here. It's his birthday. So we thought we'd do something a little bit, hey?
Birthday tomorrow.
Oh, he keeps saying that. For us, it's birthday today.
Yeah, alright.
We thought we'd do a bit of a bloody special one for him. There you go, mate.
Oh, beautiful.
So what he's R-ing about
Yeah,
is,
that's way better than the Furfies.
yeah, Jameson. I've never actually had Jameson before.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I presume it's
well,
going to be
there
something like Jim Beam.
Yeah. Close enough.
Sure I get to have a taste.
Yeah. That was no if you didn't hear it. So what do we got? Irish whiskey.
Yes, it is.
What's the difference between whiskey and bourbon?
The process in which it's brewed.
Yeah.
Or distilled, sorry, distilled.
Oh yeah, that smells good.
It's delicious.
Alright, we'll pour this in here. Look at that.
Oh, it smells good.
It does, doesn't it? So you obviously know what it tastes like.
I know exactly what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. That is good.
That's very much the same as, for me, Jim Beam.
Yeah. Yeah, very similar. Especially when you get it pre-mixed.
Oh, right.
Yeah. You buy the straight bottles and it's nothing like Jim Beam. It's good though. Very good. By
So
far
I
my favourite.
Yeah. You can't see that up there, can you? I'll show you. Hang on. So as I was saying, it's Matt's birthday tomorrow. How old are you?
27.
27.
Yep.
So Nate made this sign. So we're just bloody hanging it up there. Isn't that bloody cool as shit? So the way that she did this was, she does her normal stenciling, which she would then spray paint, but she actually put glue, and then she took that off once the glue dried, and then she stained it, and it's done that whole effect. Cool as shit. So you have to find somewhere in the bloody man cave to do that.
Yeah, I think I'll hang it above the bar. Be a good spot for it.
Oh. So, what else did you get your birthday? So now you're going to tell them what you got, and then they're going to expect stuff.
Yeah. Shit. That's a good point. Got the brand new Hero 7 Black GoPro.
I'm pretty excited for this, purely because of the stabilisation that it
should
does.
be good.
And the time warp, which is time lapse. I call it time warp, I think.
Yeah,
time warp.
something like that.
Cool as shit. I've seen the videos on YouTube, and it's just like so smooth. Yeah. That'll be pretty
So
cool. You
that's-
haven't even done anything with it.
I haven't done anything with it yet.
Doing
It's
it up
been
there.
on the charger.
Yeah.
But yeah, should be able to do some fun stuff with it.
What are you doing, Pokes?
Having a field day by the look of it.
Rightio, so there you go. That's Jameson Irish whiskey,
Yes, it is.
natural raw cola. How many percentage do we have?
5%.
5%. Oh, yeah, that's all right,
Yep.
isn't it? Cool bananas. And where's that? So is Jameson?
It's Irish.
So it's made in Ireland.
Yeah, I think.
You say Jameson, I think of Jameson over in the high country.
Different Jameson.
Yeah.
No, made in Australia.
Oh. Obviously
Yes,
made.
I wonder whether that's the just the premix stuff.
Yeah. It'd be so obviously an Irish company.
Yes. Yep.
They just manufacture their version here.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Save on transport.
Probably.
Cool bananas. No, you're going to come and have a drink?
Yep.
Oh, it's good.
Is it good or is it bad?
Oh, it's so good.
There you go.
I'm not sitting there.
No, go on, sit down. You have to sit down. If you're going to test it, you've got to sit down. Say hello.
Hello. Smells alright.
It's good. No, I'm in a little bit of heaven at the moment.
It's because you got spoiled for your birthday. Oh, your non-birthday.
Non-birthday.
Oh, Alice in Wonderland. Unbirthday. Happy unbirthday.
Unbirthday, yep.
Can't hate that.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, just it's very close to Jim Beam.
Yeah, it is actually.
You can. There's a slight
That's-
difference.
Yeah, it's different. It's almost like Diet Coke though.
Raw cola. That's, the big difference.
Nice.
Good stuff, though.
I like it.
I can tell.
Yep.
You're drinking all my drink.
Right.
Jesus Christ, I'm going to bring up the face.
Alright.
All right, see you later. Go on.
See you, bye.
You're drinking all my bloody drink. Crazy.
Oh, that's good.
Done. Cheers. Big ears.
Have little ears.
Rightio, guys, there you go. That's happy hour done. We've got to get out there to the festivities out there. We just thought we'd bloody shoot this one in here.
Go do some trivia.
Yep, cool bananas. Cheers, guys.
Rightio guys, so it's the next day after doing happy hour. Matt grabbed that bloody GoPro Hero 7 Black, whacked it on his handlebars, and he got this bloody time lapse using that time warp setting on that camera. Tell you what, I've never ever liked the GoPro cameras. I've always been the Drift and then the Sonys, and I just stuck with the Sonys. But I tell you what, this GoPro, the GoPro 7 Black, I'd be swayed to have a bloody get one at least. Yeah. So this is 6Ks going from Kangaroo Flat, which is where we are, into the centre of Bendigo. Bloody awesome. Hey, bloody fantastic. All right, bloody hell, guys, I want to share something with you. I was just doing a bit of a clean up and I came across croissants. There you go. Yes, so bloody what? These are from months ago. I was going to do a shit easy motorcycle camp cooking video using croissants, the Spam bacon and some Kraft cheese. Now obviously this is all non-refrigerable. You don't have to put it in a bloody fridge. And which is what, when I do that shit easy, that's the type of thing that I want to do, because obviously we can't carry a bloody fridge on the back of the bike. Well, you could, but it would be very inconvenient. So, anyway, never got round to doing it. And check out the date on this. That's July. So, July, August, September, October. That's months. That has been sitting inside, through winter, obviously, but we've kept the house warm all that time, toasty warm. So, I'm going, I haven't opened this. Why are they not mouldy? It feels soft. Begs to think, what the hell are we eating? But I want to open it up and let's have a look what's going on. Okay, you ready to bloody check this out? So that, you can see that, there is no mould on this. Now I think when I bought this and I looked at the date and I went, oh yeah, okay, it's about a week. I can sit there for a week. But this has been months and this is still soft. Look at that. So, I would say that has a slight, ever slight stale smell. But not too bad. I'm going to spit that out. So, it's obviously no good now. I've got to spit more. Oh, alright, that is way better. I get a little bit freaky about food being on it. I don't like getting sick, that's it. So I don't eat things that's a bit bloody questionable. So, coming back to one of these, so I'm thinking, if you were to go and buy this fresh from the supermarket, chuck it in your bloody saddlebag, it'd be sweet to bloody go. So, I just thought I'd share that with you. So I'm pretty impressed now, so I'll have to get that video done. Cool. Rightio guys, I want to do a quick message to Josh and Nat. I just today got the stickers and the write-up, so I'm going to do that next week for the sticker board. Now, to the Biker Bits crew, you hopefully have got notification from Patreon as a post that I've done up there. It's about the live stream. I'm going to be doing that on Wednesday at 1 PM, so that's tomorrow at 1 PM. I'm doing it at 1 PM because I'm hoping that the international guys will have a chance instead of it being at 3 o'clock in the bloody morning. So I'll be doing that. And also, if you're not going to make it to the live stream, you'll be able to post in questions in there and I can answer them in the live stream. And then, of course, you, the crew guys will be able to see that live stream in Patreon like normal. Cool. All right. That's it. Going to call this bloody done and dusted. Hope you all enjoyed it. Remember, keep on riding. And if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.